All right, thanks for joining in. Right now, it is a beautiful day at GreenFront. Just about to close up in 10 minutes. So we wanted to get outside even though it is a little windy. But right now we're in the middle of our campus, building 7, 8, 9, and 10. And the thing I wanted to show you all today was our progress on the new courtyard. We got full courtyard renovation. You might have seen some pictures on Facebook or Instagram, but I just wanted to give you a behind the scenes look. So pretty much, the biggest thing we're gonna do is use this bluestone right here. It's gonna be a nice mix of brick and bluestone. It's gonna be kind of a mix of modern and old design. It's gonna showcase a lot of our deep seating, sectionals, fire pits, cantilever umbrellas. So this is gonna be the new showroom. Before we had just some old bronze pieces and some ugly fountains. So if you want an ugly fountain or an old bronze piece, come and get it. Also, our own local Auntie Pettis helped us with the design and greenery, trees, everything like that. So obviously, in the spring, they're gonna bloom and look really nice. And this is where the bluestone starts in these cuts. Right here, it's gonna be a brick drainage. So when it rains, it doesn't destroy everything. Everything drains properly. Over here, we're gonna have probably our biggest feature. It's gonna be a pergola, sort of in a raised location. You can see the bases already there. Our local Al Buzek, who did all our renovations, is gonna make an industrial pergola. So there's gonna be a nice sitting area in that.